Are you looking for the best cordless hammer drill to tackle tough jobs with ease? Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, the right tool can make all the difference. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best cordless hammer drills to help you make an informed choice. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Milwaukee M18 cordless hammer drill. The Milwaukee M18 cordless hammer drill stands as a powerful and durable tool, ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Equipped with the Milwaukee 4-pole frameless motor, it delivers a robust performance that combines the strength of rare earth magnets for enhanced longevity. This advanced motor offers an impressive 500 pounds of torque, ensuring strong and reliable operation across a variety of tasks. The hammer drill operates with a variable speed range of 0-450/0-1800 RPM, giving users the flexibility to tackle both high-speed and high-torque applications. Whether you're drilling through wood, metal, or concrete, the adjustable speed settings allow for precise control and versatility in different environments. The drill's all-metal 1/2-inch chuck is designed to optimize grip strength and reduce slippage, ensuring that bits stay securely in place during use. This feature, along with the single-sleeve ratcheting design, adds to the tool's overall efficiency and dependability. For improved work visibility, the Milwaukee M18 cordless hammer drill includes a built-in LED light that illuminates the workspace, allowing users to work faster and more efficiently, even in low light conditions. With a peak torque of 525 Nm, this hammer drill offers exceptional power, making it suitable for demanding tasks. Coming in at number 4, the Skil HD527802 cordless hammer drill. The Skil HD527802 cordless hammer drill is an essential tool designed for a wide range of DIY home projects, offering both power and versatility. It comes with everything you need to get started, including a PWR Core 22.0 lithium battery and a 20V charger. This drill is perfect for tasks like tightening screws, drilling into wood, metal, and even concrete, making it a go-to tool for various home improvement needs. One of the standout features of this hammer drill is its 3-in-1 multifunction capability. You can quickly switch between hammer, drill, and screwdriver modes, ensuring efficiency and saving you valuable time during your tasks. Additionally, the drill allows you to adjust the speed setting, giving you control over performance. High speed is ideal for efficiency, while low speed provides higher torque for more demanding jobs. The Skil HD527802 is designed for user convenience, featuring a 1/2-inch keyless ratcheting chuck with an auto spindle lock. This system ensures quick and easy bit changes, so you can spend less time setting up and more time working. Its advanced battery technology provides longer runtime and improved battery life. Each cell is wrapped with cooling material, resulting in up to 25% longer runtimes and double the battery lifespan compared to standard options. Whether you're tackling small repairs or larger renovation projects, the Skil HD527802 cordless hammer drill delivers the functionality and reliability you need to get the job done efficiently. At number 3, we have the Craftsman V20 cordless hammer drill. The Craftsman V20 cordless hammer drill is a versatile and powerful tool designed to tackle demanding job site applications. As part of the V20 cordless system, this drill is equipped with a high-performance motor that delivers 280 Watts, providing ample power for heavy-duty tasks. The 1/2-inch ratcheting chuck enhances bit retention, ensuring secure and reliable operation throughout the job. Featuring a 2-speed gearbox, the drill offers speeds of 0-350 and 0-1500 RPM, allowing for optimal performance whether fastening or drilling. Additionally, it boasts 25,500 beats per minute for faster drilling in tough materials like concrete and brick, making it ideal for construction projects that require precision and speed. The Craftsman V20 cordless hammer drill is powered by V20 20V Max lithium batteries, which are equipped with high-performance cells for extended runtime and increased power. The included charger fully charges the battery in 60 minutes or less, ensuring minimal downtime between tasks. For added convenience, the drill is compatible with the VersaTrack wall organization system, helping to keep tools and accessories organized and easily accessible. The clip and accessories for this system are sold separately, offering a customizable storage solution. Whether you're working on a job site or a home improvement project, the Craftsman V20 cordless hammer drill provides the power, speed, and reliability needed to get the job done efficiently. With its enhanced features and compatibility with the V20 system, this drill is a solid choice for professionals and DIYers alike. Next up at number 2 is the Bosch GSB18V cordless hammer drill. The Bosch GSB18V cordless hammer drill is engineered for professionals and DIY enthusiasts seeking powerful, reliable performance for a wide range of applications. Equipped with a brushless motor, this drill offers exceptional runtime and power, ensuring it can handle even the toughest tasks with ease. The EC brushless motor provides a peak torque of 490 Nm, delivering both high performance and outstanding runtime. One of the standout features of the Bosch GSB18V is its rapid mode selection system, combined with a clutch with 20 settings. This combination allows for precise driving, minimizing the risk of fastener damage. The all-metal chuck offers superior durability and ensures excellent bit retention, even during heavy use. Despite its powerful performance, the Bosch GSB18V maintains an impressive impact-to-weight ratio, weighing just 2.4 pounds. It delivers an impressive 0-22,000 BPM, making it ideal for a variety of drilling and driving tasks. The 2-speed gearbox offers versatility, allowing you to choose between high-torque driving or high-speed drilling, depending on the needs of your project. With variable drilling speeds, this hammer drill allows for precise control at high speed and high torque settings. The ergonomic grip zone with a soft grip enhances comfort and control, even during extended use. Additionally, the electronic motor and cell protection feature ensures the longevity of both the tool and battery, protecting them from overload and enhancing their overall lifespan. The Bosch GSB18V cordless hammer drill is a powerful, durable tool that offers impressive performance, versatility, and control for any task at hand. Finally, at number 1, we have the Dewalt DCD996B cordless hammer drill. The Dewalt DCD996B cordless hammer drill is designed for professionals seeking a high-performance, reliable tool for demanding tasks. Powered by a Dewalt-built high-power, high-efficiency brushless motor, this drill provides up to 75% more runtime compared to traditional 18V NiCad brushed motors. This improvement ensures longer work sessions without the need for frequent recharges, making it a valuable tool for extended projects. One of the standout features of the DCD996B is its heavy-duty 1/2-inch ratcheting nitro-carbide metal chuck. The chuck, reinforced with carbide inserts, offers superior bit gripping strength, ensuring secure and reliable operation even during intense applications. This feature is crucial for maintaining precision and minimizing the risk of bit slippage. The drill also includes a 3-mode LED light system, providing illumination in dark or confined spaces. The LED light is up to 20 times brighter than the previous model, helping users work more efficiently in low light conditions. Additionally, the LED spotlight mode includes a 20-minute shut-off function, extending work time when lighting is needed most. The Dewalt DCD996B is part of the 20V Max series, offering the power and versatility needed for a wide range of drilling and driving tasks. With its combination of durability, extended runtime, and advanced lighting features, this cordless hammer drill is built to handle both professional and home improvement projects with ease. Note that the battery and charger are sold separately, allowing for flexibility in power system choices.